Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we would like to discuss about our assigned topic, which is the effect of electromagnetic wave application towards sustainability. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Muhammad Hazim bin Eraza, and I am very thrilled to be the moderator for our discussion today. Before we get started, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce our panelists. And we are very fortunate to have this great panelists we have here. Let me introduce our first panelist. We have Siti Aisyah Shafi'i. Hi Aisyah.
Hi everyone.
Hi. Okay, next we have Nur Atika binti Nazirum. How are you, Atika?
Yeah, I'm good.
Very good. Okay, our last panelist we have Arina binti Fadzil. Hi Arina.
Hi.
Alright, without further ado, as the panel moderator for today, I'll be given general introduction of our topic, which is electromagnetic. What is electromagnetic? Well, electromagnetics, or we call it EM waves, are waves that are created as a result of vibrations between an electric field and a magnetic field. In other words, EM waves are composed of oscillating magnetic and electric fields. And electromagnetics are actually formed when an electric field comes in contact with a magnetic field. And they are hence known as electromagnetic waves. And there are several types of electromagnetic according to their electromagnetic spectrum. And they are grouped according to their particular frequency and wavelength. And in this spectrum, the wave that has the lowest frequency is the radio wave, and followed by microwave, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, and the highest frequency that we all know is gamma rays. In this forum, we would like to narrow down our discussion and discuss a bit further about the second lowest wave frequency that we know, which is microwave. First of all, are microwave actually dangerous? And that is what we are going to discuss. Without further ado, let's give our attention to our first panelist here. We have Aisyah. Aisyah, can you explain a bit more on how the electromagnetic wave concept is used in microwave?
First of all, thank you very much to our moderator Hazim, and I will talk some concept electromagnetic wave used in microwave. Microwave are produced inside the oven by an electron tube called a magnetron. The microwave are reflected within the metal interior of the oven where they are absorbed by food. Microwave cause water molecules in food to vibrate, producing heat that cooks the food. That's why foods that are high in water content, like fresh vegetables, can be cooked more quickly than other foods. The microwave energy is changed to heat as it is absorbed by food and does not make food radioactive or contaminated.
Thank you very much, Aisyah. Any thoughts from other panelists?
I would like to add my opinion on how electromagnetic concept is used in the microwave oven. Microwave cooking can be more energy efficient than conventional cooking because food cook faster and the energy heat only the food, not the whole oven compartment. Microwave cooking does not reduce the nutritional value of food any more than conventional cooking. In fact, food cooked in a microwave oven may keep more of their vitamin and mineral because microwave oven can cook more quickly without adding water.
Thank you very much, Atika. Maybe our last panelist, Arina, can you give a bit more information about the penetration of the microwave?
So in addition, glass, paper, ceramic or plastic containers are used in microwave cooking because microwave pass through these materials. However, some plastic containers should not be used in microwave oven because they can be melted by the heat of the food inside. Generally, metal pans or aluminium foil should also not be used in microwave oven, as the microwave are reflected of this material, causing the food to cook unevenly and possibly damaging the oven. So that's all from me.
Wow, thank you very much, guys. Now, we know that the heating process is actually caused by the vibration from the water molecule. Is that correct, Atika?
Yeah, I agree with that.
Okay, thank you very much for the very informative speech just now. Let's move on to our next issue. There are advantages and disadvantages of this microwave oven in terms of health and environment. So maybe our first panelist, Aisha, can you tell us how this microwave can affect our health in a good way?
Yes, microwave is safe to our health. This is because according to manufacturer's instruction, microwave ovens are safe and convenient for heating and cooking a variety of foods. For the food safety is an important health issue. In a microwave oven, the rate of heating depends on the water power rating of the oven and on the water content, density, and amount of food being heated. To dispel some misconception, it is important to realize that food cooked in a microwave oven does not become radioactive, nor does any microwave energy remain in the cavity or the food after the microwave oven is switched off.
Thank you, Aisha, for your opinion. Despite of the advantages, maybe the other panel can add their opinion on how microwave oven is bad for our health and environment. Maybe Atika?
Okay, firstly, in my opinion, there are many disadvantages of microwave oven, especially for our health. Firstly, microwave energy does not penetrate well in the thicker pieces of food and may produce uneven cooking. This can lead to a health risk if part of the food are not heated sufficiently to kill potentially dangerous microorganisms. Next, microwave energy can be absorbed by the body and produce heat in exposed tissue when the users tend too close to the microwave. Organs with poor blood supply and temperature control, such as the eye or temperature-sensitive tissue, have a higher risk of heat damage. However, thermal damage will only occur from long exposure to very high power level. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Atika, for the response. Maybe our next panelist, Arina, can you give us other disadvantages of microwave in terms of environment?
So, according to the Manchester News, electricity consumption by microwave has the biggest impact on environment, from production of fuels to generation of electricity. In total, microwave consume an estimated 9.4 terawatt per hour of electricity every year. On average, an individual microwave uses 573 kilowatt per hour of electricity over the lifetime of 8 years. That is equivalent to the electricity consumed by a 7-watt LED light bulb, left on continuously for almost 9 years. Thank you.
Wow, for almost 9 years. That's a very long time. Thank you very much, Arina. So, as we all know, the effects that the microwave can offer. By that, can we actually reduce the effect? Maybe Arina?
So the answer is yes. So the effort to reduce consumption should focus on improving consumer awareness and behavior to use appliances more efficiently. For example, electricity consumption by microwave can be reduced by adjusting the time of cooking to the type of food. That's all.
Thank you very much. Any thoughts from Atika?
Yeah, I would like to propose solution on how to reduce the effect of uneven cooking. Food heated in a microwave oven should rest for several minutes after cooking is completed to allow the heat to distribute throughout the food. Yep.
Thank you very much, Atika. Maybe you, Aisha, you want to add some about the how to reduce the effect, Aisha?
To reduce microwave radiation effect, there are some steps that the user must follow where they must follow the manufacturer's instruction manual for recommended operating. Second, stop using a microwave oven if it continues to operate with the door open. Other than that, Don't stand directly against an oven and don't allow children to do this for long periods of time while it is operating.
Wow, thank you very much, Asha, for that information. Well, from that information just now, I think that we don't have to be worried more about the effect as long as we practice the steps accordingly. Okay, to conclude our discussion for today, we couldn't agree more about there are some effect and risks in the application of microwave. And I think that we as a consumer should take common sense precautions regarding handling those stuff. So guys, I think that we have come to an end of our discussion for today. And I would like to thank again to our presenter for such a very informative and great sharing. And I hope that this discussion can give some information to our viewers. Thank you for all your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.